On the 23rd of April 2026, inside the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria, a moment unfolded that could redefine one of South Africa's most closely followed murder trials. A man accused of being involved in the killing of Senzo Meyiwa made a claim that police had arrived with a confession already written, requiring only his signature. The man at the center of the storm. At the center is Bongani Ntanzi, accused number 2, who has been under cross-examination by prosecutor George Baloyi. The state claims he confessed, but Ntanzi insists the confession was forced through the coercion and torture. The bombshell envelope. Ntanzi claimed investigators had prepared documents in a brown envelope at Moroka police station. He says he was forced to sign them after torture, alleging the case was constructed rather than investigated. The state pushed back. The prosecution challenged why the claim surfaced only now after months of testimony, raising questions about the credibility and consistency. Controversy over cell phone evidence. Ntanzi alleged police failed to properly seal and back his confiscated phone, suggesting possible evidence tampering. The 24th of April, the tension in court. The defense accused the state of repetitive questioning to exhaust Ntanzi, while the prosecution defended its approach as necessary. The battle over identification. The witness identified Ntanzi as a second intruder, but he disputed their description, including claims about his appearance. Impact beyond the courtroom. Singer Khumalo was removed from the concert due to issues linked to the trial, showing the case's broader public impact. The legal question. The court must decide whether the confession was voluntary, whether evidence was properly handled, and whether Ntanzi was the second intruder. The final analysis. The trial now raised deeper questions about the integrity of the investigations and whether the truth has been fully uncovered. That concludes our analysis. Thank you for watching The Sim. If you found this breakdown useful, consider subscribing for clear, factual legal analysis. Until next time, stay informed.